everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. I hope that you are safe and I hope that you are taking proper precautions, right? So bachcho, a lot of students are texting me, madam, when will these exams happen? Will these exams happen or not? What is your opinion? How should we go ahead? So this video is for all of you all. Let's first of all talk about CA exams. It is very, very important to be talking about the exams right now. Madam, when will these exams happen? So first of all, bachcho, whether the exams will happen or not, it all depends upon the COVID situation of our country. Right now, if you see the COVID situation, the cases are declining. The situation is coming under control. Basically, it is on the direction that it is coming under control. The cases are declining. So definitely, if I have to tell you that whether institute will take exams or not, institute will try to take the exams in the month of July or in the month of August if the situation comes under control. Looking at the current scenario, the cases are declining, people are getting vaccinated, so there can be a situation that the cases can come under control, and agar control mein aa jayega to definitely institute July ya maximum August mein exams aapke legi. So right now what you should do is you should take it as a golden opportunity, that you have a golden opportunity right now with you to prepare as much as you can. Dekho, to be honest, if you see whether it is because of COVID or whatever, your time is getting wasted. जहां मे का एग्जाम अभी होके आप नवंबर देने वाले होते, द टाइम इज डेफिनेटली गेटिंग वेस्टेड. सो बेसिकली एटलीस्ट अगर आपको थोड़ा टाइम मिला है, स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशंस इन सच अ वे दैट दिस टाइम वापस पढ़ना ना पड़े. दिस टाइम यू डोंट हैव टू गिव द अटेम्प्ट अगेन. तो बेसिकली इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करो, टेक इट इन अ पॉजिटिव मैनर, इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी जैसे लो, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी डेफिनेटली टाइम खराब हो रहा है ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड, राइट? सो बेसिकली अब क्या करो, एटलीस्ट मेक योर प्रिपरेशन सो स्ट्रॉन्ग कि कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, यू आर इन दी पोजिशन टू सॉल्व इट बिकॉज यू हैव द एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट इन दिस मैनर. नाउ देयर आर टू सेट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. मैं दोनों के लिए प्लान बोलूंगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, पीपल जिन लोगों ने बोथ द ग्रुप्स के लिए अप्लाई किया है, हु हैव अप्लाइड फॉर बोथ द ग्रुप्स, आई होप that you are practicing and you are revising as much as you can. You have filled the exams forms for both the groups, bachcho. You have the golden opportunity to revise and practice as much as you can. इतना टाइम तो किसी को भी नहीं मिला है for the exams. Now if you have the time, utilize this time, revise, लिख के सारे questions at least 3 से 4 बार कर दो, इतना टाइम है. So you can clear both the groups in one go, one attempt, बच्चों. So make sure your preparation is strong, make sure your preparation is top notch. अगर अब मेहनत नहीं की ना, तो आगे का टाइम you will waste. आगे का टाइम फिर वेस्ट हो जाएगा, फिर अटेम्प्ट्स लगेंगे. सो राइट नाउ अगर टाइम है, यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम इन द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट मैनर दैट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट एंड बोथ द ग्रुप्स गॉन, राइट? क्लियर्ड. Now, second set of students, बच्चों who are only appearing for one group. So if you are only appearing for one group, I hope that your preparation is done, because if you're only preparing for one group, so you had a lot of time to prepare. So now start revising, start solving, like I said, start practicing as much as you can, start solving by writing questions as much as you can. And now you have the time where you can also start the preparation of another group. You can start taking classes of another group. At least दिन में 1-2 घंटा दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के क्लासेस में दो, so that your second group also gets prepared, so that जब भी next exams आपके next group के हो, you can फटाफट complete your preparations and give your exams. So basically, अगर if you are only preparing for one group, start taking classes for another group, because you have a lot of time. At least 1 to 2 subjects you can easily finish by taking classes now, bachcho, right? So please, I'm telling you, don't waste your time. Already the time is wasted. Now definitely if the situation comes under control, institute will make an arrangement to take the exams in the month of July or August, provided if the situation is under control. So if the exams happen, आप इस position में होने चाहिए that you can write everything, that your preparation is so strong that you can answer anything from anywhere. इतना टाइम है to prepare. अब इसके बाद if you will give any excuse, तो definitely that will not be good, bachcho. Give your best, put your best foot forward. You have a lot of time. Don't take it negatively. Don't think कि madam पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही, this I can't concentrate, there is so much of uncertainty of exams, what to do? Rather, like I said, take it positively, go ahead, prepare for your exams now, so that you don't have to give any other attempts in future. utilize your time efficiently, right bachcho? So I hope that you will study in the right manner. I hope that you got some clarity about CA exams, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go subscribe to the channel right away. If you like my content, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is it for now. Have a good day and bye bye.